My kid said you are cooking dinner tonight. No, that's a lie. That's a lie. I ain't got no wife. All that stuff's that's crazy. Don't come in here. Rules of my chat very simple. Don't come in here and woulda, shoulda, coulda, misinformation and lies in the chat and don't report me. No, man. Ain't no ring on here. Ain't no ring. Nope. Voila. Hello. All right, so welcome in, everybody. Double tap the screen, always double tap. I can see nobody's doing it because the number ain't going up. The likes, I can tell. Everybody always continuously double tap the screen. It helps bring people in here. It says keep it up, attract more viewers. By double tapping, it doesn't say by double tapping, but it says keep it up, attract more viewers. Yeah, so double tap the screen always. Yeah, sure live. But main thing is, please help me. Please go to my bio, top of ways to send some help. Please send some help. The more the better. I'm grateful for any amount. I need to eat. I got all kinds of stuff going on that I need to do. I need to buy a car, get a place to live immediately. Short term, I got a rental vehicle through work for work. I got to pay it by Sunday night at midnight. And that's a lot. I need $360 for that. That just gets the vehicle for next week. Okay, that's not allowed. You know, yeah. So everything. So yeah. Anything helps. I appreciate any help, y'all. If there's anybody in here that can send some help, please do it. Everybody can. If you're on the internet, on your phone or your computer or whatever, you can help. Yes, you can. You have the ability to do so. And I would appreciate it if you would. I mean, come on, man. You're not homeless like me. You don't need all this stuff like I do. I'm homeless. You're not. Help me, please. I said please a whole bunch of times. Always with the please. You have the ability to get a job. I have a job. Juicy Dazzle Crystals. I guess you don't hear what I say. Watch my pin video. Maybe you'll understand. But I work all the time. It's not enough. It never will be enough. I need help. Please help me. Whatever you can spare. See, that's the thing. Whatever you can spare, whatever, the more the better, but whatever you can spare, right? And then you get other people involved. You share the top of ways with your followers, your friends, your family, your coworkers, your church members, everybody. Watch the pin video, share it with other people. That way they know my situation and they have the top of ways and maybe they'll send some help. But if they don't know about it, they're not going to. But 9 out of 10 people, if they knew my situation and had the ways to send help, they would help. I'm grateful for any help. I need a lot. Well, I'm already homeless. I ain't trying to be homeless no more. I'm trying to get out of this situation. I need help to do that. So anything helps, man. Yeah. I'm very grateful. I need a lot. Anything else? Who's gonna be the first person to help that? Go to bio, top 4 ways. Cedric, what's up, buddy? This is not a gift friendly account, but it is a top 4 way friendly account. At the haunted house, cool. I don't know, man. Iguana. Yeah, I don't believe him. You won on a scratch off. Well, good for you. Top 4 ways, y'all. Come on. Who's gonna be the first one today? Y'all send some help. While you guys are going to the bio of the top 4 ways and help and sharing the top 4 ways with all your followers, your friends, your family, your co-workers, your church members, everybody watching the pink video and sharing it, I'll be right back.